This book has literally changed my life. And thanks to this author, Paulo Coelho, I'm butchering his name, in the book, The Alchemist. I have literally read The Alchemist over 100 times. And if it wasn't for this gentleman, I wouldn't be able to have the courage to follow my heart and do what I want to do in life. For example, back in 2016, I owned a moving company for 16, 17 years. I owned a brokerage firm. I owned real estate, but I wasn't happy in life. And by listening to The Alchemist and learning the secrets of life through his book, I was able to get enough courage to say, look, I'm not happy doing what I'm doing. I'm going to give my stuff to the homeless and go pursue whatever my heart says. And I just want to take the moment to thank the author of the book, The Alchemist, because without him, I wouldn't have the power, the courage to deroot myself as a tree, let's say, and move to a different state or follow a different career after having a successful moving business, debt-free for 14, 15 years. So if you haven't read the book, The Alchemist, you're really, really missing out. This is not a sponsor ad. I'm not getting paid for this in any shape or fashion. But this is a book that literally has changed my life. I've listened to it over 100 times. And I just wanted to thank the author from the bottom of my heart for writing such an inspirational book, okay? If you want to know the meaning of being your dreams, if you want to know the meaning of life, if you want to know all the secrets of creation, you got to read the book, The Alchemist. Thank you so much, Pablo, for making this book. It has really, really transformed my life. Because of you, I'm following my dreams. Thank you so much. Real quick, download my free book, Real Estate Investing for Beginners, the ultimate starter guide at myrealestatedojo.com, where I teach you how to find motivated sellers, buy their homes at a deep discount, and then have the seller become your own private bank. Subject to, get it now. One more thing, if you're looking for private one-on-one help when it comes to real estate investing, then consider joining my academy where you sit down with me one-on-one. 2, you get monthly coaching. 3, you get access to my best-selling courses. 4, you get access to my video library, and then the list goes on for just $97 a month. Join me now at MrNoFluff.com. Lastly, the best 6-figure side hustle, bicycle flipping. Want to see how? Here's a behind-the-scene video how I did it. Go to thebestsidehustle.MrNoFluff.com. Now let's get back to the content.